So right now, for the first clash of the night, we will start out with the Diamond Cup Clash, which is the World Clash.
Yes.
The last and final World Clash in New York. What the bass are the fan them there?
What the Mighty Crown fans them there?
What the Black Cat fan them there?
What the Sentinel fans them there?
Where's the Rebel Town fans?
You see when I start already with the bias thing. Only now me hear the man them play one song yet and then I carry on and that much I take.
Alright, right now we call on stage the man that they call the 5-star general to pick his number for the last and final staging of World Clash. Welcome, Black Cat.
Yo. Panta.
Yo, yeah, alright? Where the fee? No worry about nothing. Where the man chin? You put it like cup.
See me I tell you I started. This war got nice. I love it.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Next on stage, the only European sound system to win World Clash. Welcome all the way from Germany, Sentinel.
Well, I'm sorry, now I'm going to take no blood the prisoners tonight. From them sick, from them wounded, I'm going to shoot the whole of them. No time to take care of none of them. Understand, New York?
Man ready, the man serious. And what kind of angry white man this? New York is in the war start already. Number 1, him gonna play.
Number 1 we are come the whole night show, you understand?
I tell you, the brother them ready. The brother they see him and get number 1.
Right now, welcome on stage, all the way from the Far East, Mighty Crown.
Mighty Crown, New York like you.
Good morning. We're not getting ready for mad yet. Wait till the tune spin. You know me have every type of tune you can think of. Hip hop, R&B, the foundation them. I have a lot tonight. Who about me? Most of dance are reggae that pan boys them. You think me I know the business? I'm gonna play second.
Even a second, you understand me, idiot? Mighty Crown.
Alright. There was slight problem to address real quick. I don't think a lot of you are going to be upset, but we can't find Rebel Tone. So we are going to start the clash without Rebel Tone. So it will be the 4 world champions that you see competing for the Diamond Cup tonight. Is that okay?
So we're Rebel 2 on there. Rebel 2 on run.
Jabba, we have to start the clash. We'll talk about that later.
Alright. So are you ready to start war now?
Sentinel, line it up.
So hold on the chin. Before you start the clash, because we don't want nobody get confused. You understand? We don't want the crowd to get confused and we don't want the sound to get confused. How long they have to get to play?
Alright. It's 3 clashes in one night. The first clash will be a 5-minute introduction round from each sound system. The second round will be a 10-minute 2-sound elimination. Well, no, it will be 1 sound because Rebel Tone is not here.
So he's automatically gone.
Yeah,
so
automatically out. So the first round, 5 minutes. Second round, 10 minutes, one sound drop out. The third round, 10 minutes, another sound drop out. And then the round after that will be tune for tune, best of 10. Right? When that is done, we will move on to the next clash.
So you understand? The first round, nobody now drop out. You understand? The second round, 2 will drop out, but 1 don't drop out himself already. So we only have 1 will drop out, and in 10 minutes them get to play. And then I saw it go the next round. You understand? And then we're going to start the Ninja versus Radigan and Beanie Man versus the one with them call Tony Mataran. Natty, bless up, yeah?
Ready up!
Ready! Oh, and if you're confused, bass is here, but if you know, 3 sound already get a number, so bass say automatically get number 4 to play, okay? Okay. That's what make you know.
Wait.
Sound ready?
No. I apologize.
1.
Welcome on stage the defending world champions from way out in the country, Odyssey. Sorry, Will.
Hey, Chin. On us a while ago, everybody come pick them ticket out of the cup, so the cup is mine. Don't. You don't know what things say. New York, we're there. And we're here to defend it.
So I'm ready to start it now. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Alright, check.
5 minutes.
Mic check 1. Check.
Woman round the sound.
Mic check 1.
Ready? Listen, New York, are you ready? Listen. We popped down last year, don't? We let down the people down, right? You see me? What I'm supposed to do tonight is like what I would expect everybody of you when you fail in life. And one day you have a bad day, but you see the next day you have to get up in the morning, and what you have to do, you have to try again. Don't all who agree to one the here, all who believe in themselves right now, to one the here, Sentinel! Nadia! Up there! You're gonna take no prisoners! No prisoners!
I just want to know what happened to your selector. Sentinel will kill a foe. Even Beanie Man by the horn, by the getting that ninja. Tonight in Arizona, the sun is going to see daylight. Lock the door, cause Elmo's killing them tonight. Some will keep dying. Everywhere left and right. I'm sure Rebel Town and Black Cat's gonna die tonight. Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx gangsters. Sentinel want to see a gun finger. Haitians, Trinity, Jamaican shot down. Everyone show me your gun hand and shoot. Shoot.
Wanna know what?
Shoot.
Wanna know what? Fuck World Clash 2. You saw the war of fireworks! Nadia!
Big sound everlasting. Watch it out. Yeah, man.
Listen, ready? Turn it up, Nadia. Turn it up, turn it up.
Watch it out. Are you living up so watch it out?
Listen what they again, listen.
Yo, who sing the live and I say who talk dead?
Listen.
Sentinel number 199, got the fish and bread, but we are.
Listen, me not afraid of none of them.
Like a shoot up the
Me not afraid of none of them. Oh,
now we have to dumb in our place and we don't repatriate.
You know.
We are with the part and never separating from us.
carry it on. I give over for the whole of them.
Come and find out here, your lifelong, but you careless with it. If you're the Sentinel, you shall surely lose it with him. Your lifelong, but you careless with it.
I go do it.
Murderation, Sentinel come again, murderation. Now beg people for murderation. Sentinel come again, murderation.
Now beg people
I say
say
yes, Sentinel sound.
What's that?
This is the voice of Sizzler Collection.
What's my name brand artist? What's my name brand artist?
I was probably myself that yes, so Marley don't know bangs. Don't told me some tears.
Reaching out to all the gangs over there right now. Brooklyn, Flatbush, Queens. You know.
Sound boy get killed in a Sentinel yard. Sound boy get killed in a Sentinel yard. And when we pop him and kill him, we don't need to. Sound boy can't test me in a Sentinel yard. Sound boy.
We're gonna go all over right now. Listen. Watch it. He's over the bass side.
Some sound I got die.
Wanna know, listen?
Sentinel, tell them say game over. But the sound boy, y'all no give you no erection.
Listen.
And got your attention. Fire burn and destroy.
Pressure for me artist, listen.
Elmar big gunshot in a sound and direction.
Alright.
Some sound boy a fuck man and then with inflation.
What's pressure now, listen.
So long Elmar been waiting.
All the real pressure right now.
You all along, so we've been anticipating.
God, give you the next pressure right now. Listen, what is? Watch it now, listen.
Run up in the wrong bumbo clock sound. Them don't know.
All the doors in ready for war. But you're going to land here now, Queens, up there.
Game over.
Pressure.
Sentinel I go kill some bumbo clock sound. It's pressure.
Oh no, mighty God.
Elmar push him gun in a Samitino. Shoot out him brain, left it on the floor. Just up in a girl pick me claws. Him stand up on stage with him body man boss.
We're going to go all out tonight. Listen. Now you ready? Listen, now you ready? We're going to go all out tonight. This is what you know. Watch out.
Murder, murder, murder.
Watch it out.
Sentinel murder the whole of them.
Listen, watch out.
Murder sound in a NY City. Man, the crowd is on the sea and the one black kitty. One of them go tell man to show pretty. Getting on them bed one open and split. When do them a fly like we shake when see. Sentinel a kill, no pity. Sentinel sound wicked and deadly. When we come around every city.
Watch out to the beat now.
London, New York, Kingston City. Stop sound out there, too licky licky. Mario the murder them in a them territory. Rise up the yacht in the carry ticky.
What is it?
Looking at me sitting on the road and I'm out.
Nah, they give it to one. You know, so we are going all out tonight.
I'm not right to know why you're married, I don't know, say I can't tell why.
You don't know, so what? How the boy could have warned me?
Nah, me. How when the blood like this? No son can worry with them body man army. Sentinel gun make them head up like Aki. I'm a Zura, no son me no afraid. I kill black cat, rub it to a mighty crown and kill me a sadistic. What if worry with them body man army?
Good morning! Yo, let me tell you something. I know saw you play first round in New York, you know. One for them fool you, man. Bomba club, now big up the people, them, you know. Big up all of me Japanese friends, them, you know. Seeing all of me Chinese friends, them, big up. Seeing all of me German friends, them, Italian friends, them, big up, you know. Straight. Women West Indian people, them, inside the motherfucking building. Anybody from Trinidad inside the house? Eh? Any Bijan inside the house? Any Antiguan? What the Guyanese people them there? What the Haitian people them there? What the real true and Jamaican them there? Yo, now ready you know. We're not waste no time you know. All who come to war, 219 here, no, so no bias thing. Let go!
I'm not so big of myself, Sammy.
That's what you are world class, man.
I'm free to myself and Simon, all the people that praise last year. Open your eyes.
Yo! All who come to war, go down here now!
Give it up, give it up. Rise up on the hood and look at yourself, you know you're strong. No one can.
We're not!
There's a blazing fire.
Where Queens people them there? People from Brooklyn! Brooklyn, where them?
Crown never fail, I know way. Mighty crown is always there.
We're not!
So test on the diamond.
One thing we tell
Yeah.
One thing we have to them.
You better run, we gonna kill your sound. I hear that John Paul like a ball. Mighty ground for his room, that's how it is.
Introduction round.
Suji. And this is how we burn them.
Sing out.
Who's the one that done that?
Fire it up.
Mighty ground sounds.
One.
True champion.
Whoa.
International sounds.
Sammy. Love. At the introduction round, you know. Let me tell you something. You see Mighty Crown? Love New York, you know. New York bust Mighty Crown. That's a given fact, you know. Mighty Crown bust from New York, you know. So all the real New York are 2-1 in the year, you know. I no bias.
Alright. Gangsters, anyway.
Where we gangsta friend number?
Mighty Crown.
New York!
Amazing grace that fly to fame.
Fire!
All them attacks.
A mighty crown. Mighty crown. A mighty crown sound. Yes, if the boy them tongue, them tongue.
I no afraid of no more.
Rise up the rifle. Them a mighty crown, no tongue like Tyson. Them a...
Yeah, chill. I want some party boy. You know
Jonathan!
mighty crown.
The more fittest we when them know them can't. So if I war them war,
Tell them no bother try. Tell them no.
What up?
you're not gone away. Mighty Crown.
Wow!
Yeah, they are still
Fire! Hey!
gone away.
Hey! Hey! Wow!
Mighty Crown. Lay up on the Mighty Crown. No.
What we tell them?
Hey, Mighty Crown.
No matter what they try,
Mighty
we never
Crown.
can't kill the Japanese.
No. Something
Yo,
on my
yeah.
mind. Mighty Crown. We know them can't kill me. Some of my love.
What up? Next tune!
Mighty Crown.
Next tune!
Live from Cassava Place, Cuba. I, gangster representative, Mighty Crown.
Yo!
I know say them no war, thumping on your face, but the fools them can't.
Next tune!
Anyway,
Yo!
look up post on.
Wait till the third round!
Anyway,
We are gonna create history!
I'm just gonna look up
History!
Anyway,
Let me touch third round!
Mighty Crown, touch the road, them clip them load, break up the club, very proud. My one, yes, I'm a rebel.
Yo!
The crown, Sammy, chill. Mighty Crown, you do your own thing. Rebel left your
Hold on! Them say them are the world champion. Me know say all them sound they bad, you know. See? One big difference between that idiot sound and Mighty Crown.
bonfire, one big gunfire, Sasha the Almighty.
One big difference!
I'm the rebel, yes.
One big difference!
Mighty Crown, don't fuck around. Bad man sound. Mighty Crown, you're bad from your born. And that's why you go on so. I jump on your born.
Introduction round!
Blackyard.
Chill. But I want you to call me out so again. When you call me from blood class stage, call me distance. I'm going to hear a black cat your blood clot. Say general! That is a blood clot, say. Say general! Run that tune, say.
That's better. Y'all should know it's Mr. Pepper, the dancehall maker, representing for the mighty Black Cat and winner.
I like how the
Even on the
bass
gangster watching the craven here, watching the
I like how the
Stevie, even the
bass look.
sponsor. Yo, introducing to the world, Junior
Are you
X,
ready?
let them make them vex. Now see with the dance that twist against the ones of Babylon to the
Are you ready?
the poor. And we shall burn my burn continuously for the
Are you ready?
poor Stevie.
Junior!
Black Cat killer sound, no ja.
And black cat still a stand firm.
Yeah. Whoa. Pantas a murder them a sound. Black Panther real soldiers. So we are got turn you in a fallen soldier. Panther kill you. My sound.
Stop that, man.
I'm like Panther. Hey, yo, man, I'm talking. I'm black the bushman. Attack and come kill sound.
Listen. New York! What you going on in there? What you going on in there? What you like in there? What you like there?
Black cat a bull a fire pan a wheat out. And then wheat out could never get it down. So they try to use I and I be
no cocaine in here. All guns man, two on my head. Put your two on my head.
Blast game. Yeah. Not a mercy, a mercy.
Watch your run.
A mercy.
Watch your run.
Black cat sound is a run under rose and laws. It's a run line a pump with no flaws. The gal a beat up with them drums. Pick
The
up
Baltimore no there New York. I pay a gunshot and back a muscle. New York. Rise them. Bow out.
Well, easy yourself, Black Cat, the champion sound, King Slash, I know
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
They go self in a part and the whole works.
What the country be done there?
The pussy one them go apologize to be a batty boy just
See them there.
against Black Cat.
See them there.
Stop with joy. You will know that good because we have us it and you see say Babylon not get this time. Black Cat don't apologize to be a batty boy and them can't test we sound and we carry the joy. If them this panther them a go get this try. Gunshot a bust them like tie. Girl them sexy and them pussy fat. But sexy girls them Black Cat sound looking at some boys bow down. Bow down doing what nothing in the world could have. Panther doing that. We don't care if them want bad we. Tell them Black Cat say we Rasta man, we bad man, we African, we are the strong.
Well, I feel good. New York, I feel nice. Chin said the final clash. I don't know what Chin depend. Finally a blood clot Chin. How you want to do? Go home, go sleep in the Japanese, then you walk him last clash. When not top clash, I when World Club stop keep. Me alone, I come and turn up when me know say date come and clash with myself. Move on a bomber clad more final. Run that! We in the run there!
Warm to them, Panther. Drive out the rascal, war bomb.
Warm to them!
I don't say. Youngster for that.
Middle man,
Some boy for
watch your walk here.
Some little
And
post.
early walk this.
Blood clot.
Early walk.
What the boy them?
No BS.
Panther.
When the Black Cat comes in, we have an answer Brooklyn. New York, Queens.
That's mine. We know them bad mind from ever since. Everybody know them have the
Go to the things.
no for free up here.
They are the trends in the gangster.
Panther. You on your dogs. Ever strong.
One more you take.
Beside of them now.
One more. See you now.
We burn them up, we burn them up, we burn them up.
We burn them up.
Yo, what?
Lighter.
Them no like we and we no like them. Them a we enemy, we and them no friend. Them no like we and we no like them. Yo, you know why we don't like them? We tell you something. Now what that you?
What is
we
it?
go we no lotion man. Woman we powder, we no powder man.
We feel nice. New York. That is part one. Chin.
Welcome on stage, Odyssey.
Hello, New York. We ready for the show for the country again? I don't want the country to the country as a country. Let me just worry about them little blood clot power. Jack your
Yes, sir,
style.
this is sound. I cure enough. I say, I
Just like how far prison, Jack your.
man. Don't make me curse the word with them call body. Don't know me no want cuss style, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Who wants to have a light on here?
Ma.
We are dancer, we are dancer.
Charlie Black.
New York.
Father, we seek your blessing. Every day some jump and a cry. They said this to keep them missing. No ask us why.
a pretty down there. Yeah. Odyssey kill.
Yeah, now what's Riley? Come bluff it.
Yes, I listen to take a talk from nobody. See? Yeah. Hey, it's a lot of yes, I listen to listen up, yeah. Hey, be real. Yes, I listen well, stop it. X amount of them on the place down flat. Be real. Sound boy don't attack a man of here. No. Hey, it's so joy to see some fool come out but them.
I wish DJ come crash up tonight. Let me drop a blood clot beanie man. Drop it.
That's your gun for
that.
Yeah.
Drop it.
Tell
Panther. Tell Sentinel. Sentinel.
Gunshot from all angles. Oh, Lord.
New York. Guess what?
Well, some boy over there, so let me tell you this bumbuckler. You name Eminem to sell up your bumbuckler. You are gangster for life, I don't know bumbuckler. This place and that's the way we ready fit up it up. We not chat him out and we all up make it.
Turn it on. Me had not to thinking Sentinel come up about kill me as I say, don't kill no mama. You know what Sentinel is?
Yeah, man, gangster for life, right?
Sentinel!
Fools never learn until them fucking skin burn. You know what I mean? Just have a piece. This are the Steven, standing floating on $1,000 bill. Just trust my paper, fucking dream up, then you're gonna get
paid. First, yeah.
Steven, standing floating on $1,000 bill. You touching paper, fucking dream up.
STOP. Stop. Them a talk about them a blood clot bad son. At the end of them, you know blood clot long BSS here come kill people. Eh? All you know some BSS is bad than the whole of them blood clot. Put up your hand here. Drop it. Drop it, blood.
Shake the place with the 18-inch base.
Drop it.
Man, 15, 16. Of course, you know the things that kick like bullet. It's the base of this international.
Everybody, listen.
Munga and the breath.
Listen. Everybody.
So,
no.
And I came to take my place. Never you will get my face. B to the A to the S to the S. There's some fake, I don't try test. And we have one bulletproof vest. This is the best. And I came to take my place.
I want to kill in the farmer. Put your gun on that blood clot here. Shoot up your gun. Shoot them up. Kill that blood clot. Yo.
I wanna be a status, tell him farmer. Oh man, just up on your phone. When the best come around, and the thing they get found. Then you left out that home. We said, don't make me hold you. Don't make me hold you. Don't make me hold you. Don't make me, hey, because you come and run out.
Turn it off.
Well, anytime
this is Panther come up here in that tight trousers. You must be Vaseline before put on them blood clot trousers. All the rest of the man can't fuck you, you know fuck the man, put your hand here. Put up your blood clot.
What them say?
Odyssey no mingle with no man, 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 no. When I mix up with, when I blend up with, when I wrap up with, switching no mingle with no man, 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 no man.
One more true left. One true left. Don't you thinking Sentinel? I be a blood clot nice them out them a bad sound. I me control Europe. I me a the UK Cup champion. Them a bad and me a blood clot. Tell me about tell them something. What be blood clot?
Yeah. Also all of shots, all the love talk.
Everybody go.
Someone like all of them a system. Just like them a system. Flexing like a line.
Round one. Wally. Alright, we are live stream around the world. So by a show of hands, who never tell me who I lead and we are going to the next round. All who say Black Cat are lead, hands in the air right now. Black Cat. All who say Sentinel are lead, hands in the air right now. What to say about Mighty Crown? What to say about this and this? Yeah. It's all about the 10th and final World Clash. And we're entering round 2. 10-minute round. No time to waste.
Sentinel.
Blood God base to this is the only dream. Yeah, dreaming of. The only thing I'm dreaming of is floating over some dear friend's body. Hold on. Them say, them rule Europe. So how come you blood that never represented the biggest clash of Europe? 1 month ago I read them clash. Hey, you flopped there so last year. So now come back again in Europe. I say, well let me talk about Panther right now. You know, and me bring the whole of them over my place we play there. You know. And we bring Panther last year at my place we play there. And me say, boy, the place blood clot wicked there. So I love the place Elmer. The next week, him gone back a yard and give me a call like every day. Yo, Sentinel, come send me a thing now. Come send me a thing now, boys. And me go like, what a blood clot this? Me say, I mean, I just win 1 world clash. He might win like 5, 6, 7. Me no blood clot. And me blood clot reaching the boy at 2 and call me up every day. Mario!
You win 100 world clash and it still no mean shit. Sentinel win 1 and we blood clot rich. Kill them and go through, kill them and go through, kill them and go through. Got you, vice every hip hop artist on the planet. Tonight your fucking sound I go get. Elmer no afraid of you, him no afraid of you, him no afraid of you. You and your fucking kung fu. Tonight at the night when every sound in a trouble. When gunshot a bust up boy head like a bubble. Inna them one fucking blood them a drown. Cause Maria will kill pussy round by round. I really don't wanna kill Rebel Town, but survival of the key and them pussy them already. When you are fucked you know fi use your tongue. Cause that can bring your daughter and her son. We run this shit and now we name Sentinel. I kill their sound and I send them to hell. We rise machine and
what a pussy clad them a do. What a bomber ass clad them a do. I'm a Vado, your artist. Watch this. Mario! I mean, if the German over, run me go a war. Me have me gun to the side. I'm where me come here, so.
In a the middle of the clash you must be gun. When we bust we gun no bumper we gun. Do I hear jealous come? I saw hey me Sentinel officer. You know. Tell them a straight gun shot. Shot for the cane of the day you're not taking a chance.
I said. What do they say?
Yeah, they rise up the rifle. Check what them say.
When we go a war, we not afraid to bust me on any deal.
Elmar push the rifle in up one case and say check up yourself.
When the gangs are Brooklyn, Flatbush, Queens.
With water wet up themselves. We bust it any deal. Bust it anyway.
Oh, God.
Up in a Sentinel and Elmar rise the kill. Bust it any deal.
Classic one.
Listen
good now. Let me give you the Sentinel story. And the Sentinel story this.
Remember when Sentinel come on New York?
All of them.
We murdered the whole of them in a helidog. Don't feed up ton panther in a fool. Elmar I go show them who rule. Here move over, we murder everyone. From Christiana to Paris, Japan. From Canada back to Sentinel. Elmar send them a dead man's life.
Blood clad Mario! Give it to them again!
You know we kill these motherfucking niggas and we get the other fight.
When we go a war, we not come for money. Who don't know what we are killing us for? Oh!
Sentinel kill fit on no perplex and one else a city. And a nation with no tongue. Your perplex no flex and make we get vexed.
Watch it out.
Big gun papa fall, your shot and get catch. Disrespect.
What that again?
Alright,
last time when me come out at New York, the promoter never pay me flight. So this time me have me own a flight.
No pilot, no longer airport. That is for the class and over the island.
How name?
Pilot,
you know.
We know have sounds to get.
You don't see no New York.
More African dance. We have some sound for kill and we are end them like.
You want to say big up and respect. So big name brown sound like Jaro, Addis, the whole of the legacy, the old beat family, it hurt me heart, and them are there tonight. You see, them kind of sound have some one-away tune. And nowadays, we miss the quality in certain sound dubplate. You see me I say, when we go a war and when we cut dubplate, we do it special. You know, this combination, no blood clot sound in the world can find in the Bronx. This is Maxi Priest alongside Shabba Ranks. Mario, listen.
All
I want you for your money. Put your money in the
Watch it, son.
I don't know, right now, push it.
Where's the Maxi?
Ain't no use pretending, so why we're gonna slaughter your sound.
Maxi Priest.
Eat and choose that you're playing Sentinel will run you out of town. So where you gonna hide, cause you're dead tonight. It's too late to turn back now. Cause every tune is dropping, so people wanna ride. Sentinel, I murder a sound tonight.
What am I say again?
Can't pride me.
What you know? And they must say, I don't want them to say me love New York area. I never play no New York artist. What you know?
We have the doublet in the heart, we have the doublet in the brain, we have the casket in the body when I saw boy gets.
Hold on. You don't like the one there? Alright. We'll pass the next one on to you. Admiral Bailey, Shabba Ranks, Mr. Mario, boss the one there, boss it!
Sentinel, no for them a star.
What you know?
But man a show superstars.
When they're reaching out to all the original yams for them in New York. All who don't like your party, man. Mr. Everybody going on. Mr.
No Thunderman, no Batty man.
From you see them, you know them.
Don't give a lot of money if they don't say mama.
Mr. Listen.
It's not right.
It is wrong.
I'm gonna push his face in a shit time. No care guy, no care man. Send for the money come on.
But I don't know, say none of them can walk the street of New York and live. Put your gun on in here. Put your gun on in here.
Oh my, no Matty boy.
What me say again?
Oh my, no Matty boy.
What's that?
You know the moon of funny man never.
Want to see what they do?
Must not go politics up and lay them in the bed. One of them one and then the one of them.
Shut them there.
Sentinel, what's that sound? No matter the name.
I don't know, say. We don't business all them are. And where them are come from?
Sentinel kill a sound nearly twice their age. Don't care who it is. Emma was stepping out in faith. Every round where we play, I
don't know, say when promoter come to ask me about Clash, they say yes. We don't even business who they are.
Emma murder pussy, murder pussy. Emma murder pussy, murder pussy.
No. Listen this now.
Now come down original room telling you. All Sentinel massive.
You know, say?
You have the armor.
Let's say. I don't know, say you want you and feel the money. I don't know, say you want you for your money. Push your gun on in here. That's a bad boy original tune. Bomba Clan. Watch out, let me say. Watch out. Easy, no, yeah, good.
Mighty Crown.
Yo, let me get mad at now. Let me get mad at now. World clash this now. World clash this. Alright, who am I for killing now? Alright, Sentinel. Hold on. Let me kill Panther now. Pink Panty boy now. Panther, him a play a tune, say him a go kill the falling soldier. Eh? Let me counteract that tune now. See, him talk say, you see every sound in the business now. Sad, say world clash done now. But you see Panther, him feel the saddest now. Him feel the saddest. That him can't come to New York no more, you know. Him can't come to New York no more, there's no clash. See it? Yo, Panther, let me tell you this. See it? We might can't cut tune now. See it? Let me cut tune different. Counteract that demarker now. Listen tune.
Yeah. Whoa. Mighty Crown, I got kill Pink Panther.
Listen!
Pink Panther, you win so many sound clash, but they wanna book you. The sound them don't wanna play with you. Don't let up on the battlefield. Pink Panther, you got dead for real. Pink Panther win so many sound clash, but they wanna book you.
Hold on! Let me get Sentinel now. Eh, Sentinel? When I walk in a Mighty Crown shoes, you know. Nothing a go on for your pussy. May I tell you, nothing a go on for you, you know. He play a bugle. See, the Mighty Crown always cut hip-hop artists. Want to that pussy, yeah? You want me to kill that pussy right now? Let me play a bugle and kill that pussy now. Counteraction.
Let me tell you this tonight. We no can't kill Mighty Crown. We no bad like Bumbuck like Mighty Crown. We no do nothing for the business like Mighty Crown. Pussy now got depth tonight, got suck on the mama. New York no like on the man.
Listen lyrics.
Sentinel.
What you wanna do?
Listen.
Pussy Sentinel, you just get tricked. A bugle kill you and no hip-hop artist. Nothing you can do, nothing you can do, nothing you can do. Mighty Crown just kill you. Elmar, you no see your gal around your head. You could not find her last week, she in a Sammy tea bed. Nothing you can do.
New York! Sentinel for the Mighty Crown style! Yo!
Batty boy Sentinel, you are haters. You are Mighty Crown imitators. This never is the...
Hold up!
Stay conscious. Focus. Mighty Crown.
What the 90s people them there? What the 50s crew them there? Flatbush! Church!
Mighty Crown rise the fucking days. Can of Batty boy can't I on the base.
Hold up!
Alright, Rebel 2, pound of that. Free up! Black Cat bringing the trophy. Free up! Sentinel
Big show time!
Free up! Based on this, a Rebel 2.
Listen!
Trophy. Mighty Crown. Black Cat now win the trophy again. Springs you can't see a based on this again. Mighty Crown now beg no friend.
Yeah, Mighty Crown sound. We say I want to
Guns out!
even we are free for that.
Guns out!
Mighty Crown, I see
Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx!
Mighty Crown never frightened. Let them try, and then we strike them with light.
Whoa! Hold on there. Let me take you to Brooklyn right now. Him say, nobody no play no New York artist and play Shabba. Him no song about New York, eh? Him no ground buck like Flamingo they say. Till then, Starlight, Billboard they say. Eh?
New York. New York is saying that. Mighty Crown is New York.
Brooklyn! Queens!
Listen. Like a Amazon, baby, I get broke up like snapper. Sentinel and then I came more. Like a Amazon, baby, I get broke up like snapper. Sentinel and then I came over. Boss blacker. Oh, never this Mighty Crown when Black Cat a big tune beg a rebel tone you fi sata. You just get kick up in a Canada. Some bitch face pussy no matter. Teflon black Crown a valata. Send in the copper. The B-Yack so
Mighty Crown never lying, yeah. Japanese never lying, yeah. Mighty Crown never lying, yeah. Japanese never lying, yeah. Mighty Crown never lying, Mighty Crown never lying, yeah. Fling them in a cemetery, make them be a miserable.
Hold on! Wait till me third round, you know. Me create history in this blood clot. Hold on. Big tune I playing. Mighty Crown, name World Class is my mega name, you know. See, Mighty Crown boss World Class International, Europe, UK and Japan and them place there. See, me play some intelligent tune, you know. Intelligent. Me I make that tune cuss. See, watch how Mighty Crown cut tune, you know. Sabi?
poor little donkey. And some people went to me. Said it's a mighty crown trophy.
Listen, feel
Tonight in a Mazura, mighty crown, them are the champion. Big up Linden, Flatbush, 40s, every night is bad man. Them coulda come from Jamaica, Germany, and
level. What him say again? Sentinel is saying about the Europe champion. See? But nobody knows Sentinel, you know? We just come from Jamaica. See, in the bush, Kingston, all over. Me ask for Sentinel. Nobody knows Sentinel. We go to Japan. Nobody fucking knows Sentinel, you know? And go on like say him the world champion. Yo, pussy. This one straight for your German head, you know? Like
Pussy clad war, baby. Well, if you know some blood clot, mighty go rule uptown, downtown.
Him say about the champion!
And road town.
Check this. Nobody's calling your name.
Nobody know them pumpkin.
Care about the guns that you claim. Who cares?
All them want, they must be stunted.
It's just a part of life's game. Stone boy, night you will feel some pain.
Everybody a play Bounty Killer.
Oh, you can't.
5 years been a playing a new Bounty Killer. I'm still rated.
You and kick you.
Let me play a Bounty Killer that no sound in the world have.
And ever.
All the way Bounty Killer, 200 in the air, no go so. Play this song.
Kick you down.
Go on.
You will sound boy, we never hear about you. We still don't care about you.
And Sharon killer beside me. Watch out, sound boy, watch out.
Go to the big tune time.
Mighty crown champion from far.
Shabba! Wow!
Gone underground.
Hey!
Champion, you know, say bloody tack around. Come out like a plate of fun. To make them jump for drum.
They must just be straight. If they not no respect for me, what we are telling you?
No respect, disrespect. In all aspects.
Fire!
Whoa! Oh yeah, all over the world. Murder your son now. Hey!
We are going to create history in the third round.
Watch your shabba around.
Watch out now, walk on.
I love all of the Dublin. Michael.
Yo!
Let the play, it's a play. Sound boy get.
I don't want to see sound there. 200 in the air now.
Sound fit good. Let the home in our side, no lie.
Why?
Hey, that was up in our sound boy.
Listen.
Hey, all we need mighty crown, we are the baddest sound around. And the crown,
yeah.
In a country crown, your mother in a town. And some say them a wicked sound, but mighty crown. Ever could we kill a sound?
After this clashing up, the mellow cup go mighty crown.
Just no matter say nothing. Informer like your mouth and no say nothing.
I tell you that.
Sticking on your face like button.
Yeah.
Up on my road, up on ground like mutton. Now, informer stop.
One to go. One to go. I tell you, me have everything. Me I go create history again. Pull it up. Yeah, man, I know what bass I say coming in. Play a bag of Bounty Killer. Every time you come and dance, play a bag of Bounty.
But one like a bigger piece. I gotta show you blood clots up.
Mighty Crown, are you me a kill? Yes, sir. Run that.
Yeah. Warm to them.
Mighty Crown.
This Panther sound.
Mighty Crown.
Not the one that they just shoot. No matter feel so you can't get that sweat. You know you wanna blood them around.
Pull up. The blood clot dead. Run that husband.
Bad man is for the work, you know. I want to the man to leave the man.
Where the bass then? Control the bass.
I want to the man to find the black cat.
New York! Watch your right! Watch your right!
They never know who them run from this. I track out the girls to the boom and Chris. Black cat with the penis sound. Man a man, man a
when the blood gathers.
So now I'm for pan and set well, none of them know.
Mighty Crown, you're informer, move your bumper clout. Are you me a done? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
25th. I be a Bronx man, them straight up. I don't know the self.
New York.
We're in the back of our shelf. You know what I want? Stand firm. Black cat. Run up in on the fence and we food get sucker. Heaven on me base up and everything. Me swatch and them a act up.
Business in them stuff.
Who sell me out? How
it's crap.
Now me chop I had me hear the fussy them a laugh. Me used to wear Prada, no
know me have the wear class. Burns in a fire, now I walk, man, I walk.
I work class this. I work class this.
Control buildings, blocks and parks. I call the shot, create all the laws. Looking back, my world was really filled with flaws. Moving in the fast lane.
I work class this.
So be white in a
work class.
Another man a flash. And he's skipping class. Boy, I got red. Me look down in the hourglass. Off it touch America, no matter what it costs. Me touch down.
One next.
Like glass. Who you? Are you? Who no bomber clad?
What's right now? Yeah, clap. Wait till later. Your blood clot. Yeah.
And then me can take the blum blum rap 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 bam bam.
A truck of your truck.
Can't take the blum blum rap ta 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 blam blam. Black a team a go kill another chow.
I like the forward there. Listen every time, Journey every night. We don't know me stay now. When they get angry, they get cross. So watch me on the blood clot. No! Watch me go on.
Easy that name within I.
When you get angry, they get cross.
So Rastafari. No violence too low, no mountain too high. Come down black cat, come play for right.
Me can't lose a clash. Me can't lose this.
Black cat will survive. Where's the tune, the panta? You sing, Papa Cat and King.
Watch you right now. Where you going on them there? Where you going on them there?
Give praise to Rastafari.
Some boy on the mind.
And I praise on the future.
Watch you right now. New York. Look.
What am I deal with? It's why a lot of female shall bomb, what should I know?
New York! New York! The blood clot!
Well, man no pause when man no kill people. In the ghetto it a get too evil. Black cat a bust it up for all reason. So listen killer talk, and walk. In the ghetto them a walk with eagle. And them a murder son boy for all season. Some little pussy when me see ya.
Bumbo clot. When you gonna move to the drag, watch me on. Second round.
Black cat. You know we got gas, motherfucker. You can step back from here to the next block.
Me a war specialist. New York. War specialist.
Yo, Stevie. Tell them don't grieve it.
When then?
If a war you know what make it start. Somebody not get black and no papa. Man no big bad man, no take no farmer. We put you back in on the path. Whoa!
A lot of time I think it's a person.
Tap a shot reaching on them there. There be somebody this way to accept him. Black and don't kill him on them say. Gunshot the back and why scared? Oh, you wonder. One day them some jump and will say don't them want to want.
Level.
45 or still. Me gun big.
Level. A trucker me a trucker. Trucker me a blood clot trucker. Run now.
First we see one pant and talk to them. Yo, one time you say papa. Yo, walk to them boy. Them Queer and Peter.
Oh yes, that boy.
Well, when black cat up in the blood clot place, nobody man no look up in a blood clot place. Them know what
blood clot
place. Pants a terrible dog. Him a rebel, you know. Alright. When black cat up in the blood clot place, crazy youngsters and thugs up on the blood clot place. 45 tell them say
what next now? What kill on them?
When a rebel, you know. Alright. 45 plus them. Drive on the white cats and using papa. Cristiano. Carrying that.
None started. None started.
Do you see what you wanna see when you look at me? Do you say what you wanna say when you watch at me? Feel how you wanna feel when you know back me. Win 5 first class but them couldn't stop me. Move well militant to no could not
stop me.
Big guns and pants, black cap tabac me. Dark up for the poor but no could not stand me.
Watch it right. Run it.
Party boy you pull it a handcuff. Pull it, connect. Black cap in the building. Papa.
Second round.
Motherfucking nigga.
Second round.
Yo, Black Cat say shut the fuck up. You can't worry, you a delay. Shut the fuck up. We gun down so town police. Shut the fuck up. But the man we rest up in a pace. Your mother found the engineers and tend up his face. Shut the fuck up. Man, me shoot you like an ugly gay. Shut the fuck up.
Good not. I like it. I like it. You know what I'm saying now? Me a war specialist. And the wrong man on our rap with. Me a war specialist. Second round.
Yeah, Black Cat stop. Hey, say what you wanna say, yeah, yeah. That's no Black Cat's gonna say. But now we never lose his way, yeah, yeah.
Never.
How we going? Black Cat. Them can't get you down. Could never get you down.
Why you think Panther so bad? 2 more can't get me down. A second round of reach clash just start. What's in there?
Yes, and this is 10 minutes. The whole of them over here play with the mark of the marker. Them not know say the last clash. Them a go around the blood clot thing. Them now play the real blood clot music. Them a go on them a whole morning. Who do I hear some real blood clot tune now? Jump it, blood. Jump it. Jump it.
Let me hear a brother man. Squingy and Danny and Tears. Bass Odyssey come true. Many did try to test the big bad bass Odyssey sound, yeah. Many will try, but I know they're doomed to die.
Sentinel!
Some fool went to the bank, withdraw all his money, yeah. Thinking that's what it takes to throw Bass Odyssey down. Bass Odyssey kill sound, have the world dance so John bang. Rock it from now.
Turn it on. I'm me win last year. I'm come back for it this year. All who want to take it, put it on the blood last year. Tell them, Papa, tell them. Mighty Crown.
I don't want to let some young. That one got me every day, Mama and Papa. Just take your man from your job. Tell them every day, Mama and Papa. I guess I just say run all the whole place, we day, Mama and Papa. You see me get shout, la 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 la, there.
Stop it. You know what I'm gonna do? Through them know everybody used to squingy. When them do them thing, I mean squingy them remember me, you know. Because them want the people them when me come up them as a blood clot and squingy them advertise. Them can't stop without. BSS is blood clot, BSS no matter who play it. Jump it, blood.
Sister Kaloncha blessing you like all those squingy skinny. Yeah man, wear mark on them you there. Bless them cause them about your child, you know, eat you up your way, you know.
What do you like to them?
When I'm from,
make sure no boss world clash. And the final one.
Face of this tell them say clean up them heart and tongue. So you turn up a corruption when some boy they burn. So clean up your heart and tongue.
Oh no, blood clot long days says you come kill son and we not stop. All of us we not stop. Gun on like so. Gun on like so. What the Jamaican Brooklyn wins?
I've been here all day of my life. Over a student queer right here. I take some share. Some are just to press them off with kill it all them fork and knife. Some don't care, heart is right price. Waiting to see you fall Bass Odyssey.
You remember me say, them a go around the thing. Them say the last blood clot clash a keep. I don't know why you're the real tune them, don't. Guess how we go drop now?
None of mercy. Bass Odyssey. None of mercy. Out in the country. None of mercy. Man, 19, the one who's got a chill lady. None of mercy. We the girl them well spend it. None of mercy. Ain't gonna spend it from Benny. None of mercy. I'm gonna make a nice squinching. None of mercy. My God ain't gonna sing. None of mercy.
Everybody stop. We are something so. Stop. Black cat. We are something so. We are something so.
Pick him up from face to face. Hold your eyes. Just like that. Pick him up from pound to base. Everybody we have brains out. When it's don't rise around. We are. Well, Mama don't go if you dead. Listen to Jesus and then. Cause Bass Odyssey don't care. Because me gun in on the you're not all loud and clear. I must like my man don't fail. Put it up. So everything girl. I pull it down.
Sentinel come back, come get
get a little trophy. And then do nothing with it. We are gonna kill you all of them blood clots again. Turn up!
We can make a whole trial. Don't know the compass, no mercy. Anytime it comes to money, go and drop. No mercy. Face of this, boiling. Everybody got rock. Boy, you're dead this time. Me got a gun and then see them blind. All dead same time, me say me so like Lord.
New York! New York!
So me sing. Guns out and run on and people like John. I'm a killer, not no picture. Guns out and run on and you're mad like John. Just face at the scene and your grave, you'll be born. Believe, say you're wicked, just back from me back.
And the final one, jump on them, we not about introduce it.
Not a mercy.
It's a big bad face, bad face. Not a mercy.
Face to the scene, we like to chase like a
what the bad man there? What is that? Correct, you understand them, sir? 40!
Me sing chop, them start war and believe it or not done it now done. Me send for your ammunition and gun. Make them get out of me side the last one. There's something in the country make fun. Them other gonna get gunned down. You see it, send this space and this city, then now we can't riot. Gun kills a kill, hey me put it on the jet. Boys the base and this is for the
you don't know me, I have a bunch of boom bye. Them run go play, me I go play something bad out of blood clot. I will put your hand here. Put your hand here. Come on.
One time. Everybody sing the bang bang to the bang bang to the bang bang. We got to the bang bang to the bang bang to the bang. Man I bust it to the bang bang to the bang bang to the bang. Man I bust that up to the bang bang to the bang. Found the whole bunch of man out of prison around gun. Tell someone to move from your circus and bring no one gun. Tell them on a two gun, pound on a one gun.
Stop. Panther say. Next year, him wanna come up here. Him wanna go in here by himself. If him want in here, must buzz back on blood clot back in fist. All who know back my fist, put you under the blood clot here. Now! Jump boom, bang!
It's Warlord Motherfucker, you should know that Lieutenant Squinting! Drive for the wire engine, one time Mark Worm, or whatever the cancer is doing. One time Damien Charlie,
everyone likes to go on!
Let's see.
Panther!
Yes, and this is sound them not go friend fish. You want Teflon bullet with a kid length fish. You me speak me mind clear me not pretend fish. Them a taste like 7 days. Show me tell them shut up but them insist. Them a taste like them for police a dentist. Oh them a bad man but them apprentice. But this is on the pussy and needs some compass.
2 more songs of it. Damian, we have 2 new tunes. We have to play a new tune no matter what go on. My father!
Listen, want to some post out. That's your mark, that's a squincher. Anyway, them bad mind from long time. Dead, them dead.
My father!
Cubans, snipers. Aye. Listen, yo! Let them know this is what the gangster life is like.
We have to play something new.
Why? I just said I got it put me tight. I got the bad mind, not the folk of them. My mother, who? Son boy,
no matter what go on, we have to play something brand new when nobody know. But not play already. So right now, embarrass, sing a final tune there.
Original is Odyssey. Someone can try it. Can't touch myself.
I don't know good music. Put that on your lighter. Put that lighter.
Any guy want go like you a fool. Stop, run off your mouth and come test. Bass Odyssey sound. Yes. Yes. Oh gosh.
So they say.
Just steal all your house and your land and we take all your woman in a her nightgown.
Hey, Richard Spy! Richard Stevens!
Sound the shit you ring, yeah. You couldn't believe that you lose this clash again.
I want the wickedest combination!
It keeps coming again. This time you just can't win. No, hey.
Yo.
We're going to bury you.
This Odyssey, second round. Please, Blade, some lights in the audience, please. All right. All who said Sentinel take the round there, I'm not here. All right. Make we do it like this to make it faster. All who say Sentinel for drop out another round here, another here. Put them down. All who say mighty crowd for going around your hand in the air. Put them down. All who say this Odyssey for go home and then here. Put it down. All who say black cat for go home and then here. Alright. We have all heap of clashes backstage. No time to waste. 5-star General Panther eliminated in the second round. All agree? Yeah, man.
When I feel away, man, alright, I'm happy. You know, it's a game. Sometimes people deal with that way and sometimes, but it's a game. I feel alright, I'm happy and I enjoy myself same way. I'm still the 5-star general, I think, Chris. Boy, it looked to me like a base on the second winner. Yeah, and more the trophy go a country, so anything happen, I open it the same way.
Third round. 10 minutes. We gotta keep it moving quickly. Radigan is backstage. Mataran is backstage. Beanie Man is backstage. And Radigan is backstage. Did I say Radigan? Everybody's backstage. Yeah, man, Ninja Man is here. See? Right now, real quickly, Sentinel, 10 minutes, third round. One song will be eliminated after this round. Your time.
Respect New York. What am I saying? What am I going to tell me say a while ago? Nobody calling my name? A big dub plate me are calling my name, don't? So them blood not afraid of me, don't? Somebody say yes, a true that, don't? Yeah. Well, right now I'm going to take it a little bit easy because me want to stretch out on the real big tunes. You see this next artist what I'm going to play? Me take care for him like throughout the last 5-6 years when he have a hard time. I don't know no pussy never care about the artist. I feel more classic style now. I don't know what's it. I don't know what's in the fire wherever place right now then can't block that stand it. Mighty Power lock up themselves in the studio for 2 years. I'll be a fucking them and fuck themselves in there, so you know. Me say watch out.
Yo, a Sentinel, a big sound everlasting. Watch it out.
Watch the fire. You know what I want?
Boy, for this Marcus, then you must fight for us. Equal rights and justice, that's what it taught us. If you're this Selassie, boy, you're going to die. Emperor Selassie, you're going to die.
I want to take this.
Sentinel, your soul, God, don't hurt.
Who we are?
Shall bow, and every tongue shall tell them. No for them I walk with. Them keep in a corruption, and for them I am no places when them humanity and them Sentinel sound. Face all your persecute.
You don't know what's enough for them why run me out of the business.
Son boy.
You don't know why?
Hell man, me not be Jamaican or even African, but when it come to killing, jump and show we are #1 we bring up. Kill them at Germany and in London. Anyway,
you don't know what's in the business now then?
Then the killing of so I remain. If they want to mind them, don't jump and explain. Mine and the Nazis that I run away.
Watch out.
Did you put that 45 right to them?
Now you ready?
Boss it, make pussy.
Nadia.
Why not come in?
Me say a be a tune right now. Me say be a quality music we are getting. Me say everybody. Come on, know what you want tune for the money. We have the answer. We have the answer. Up there. Again, we are.
What can you do to stop your son from dying?
Bomba clap. Me say Nadia. Watch it now. When I know what's the best after the blood that singer. Watch it now.
Take it easy, yes.
Let me say. Listen, Panther, you done that already. What are you want?
If you're trying to test the Sentinel, make sure you're serious.
That boy can't be serious.
It can be dangerous.
What about again?
And not a joke thing, no.
Let me sing again.
If you're planning to brainwash the dance hall, you could be serious.
Alright, now give it to them again. That shit, let me say. All who want you feel the money right now. I'm there. I'm Marcia Griffiths and Barry Savage. All who love reggae music, watch it.
Now when you hear the Sentinel playing, don't worry, your sound is dying.
Watch out.
Worry, cover.
Yeah,
that's what's going.
Now the whole time people is again. All who love reggae music right now, we have it. We have it. We have it. New York. Where we there?
On my way up to New York City. Because listen, Sentinel, so that's some murders.
Watch out, watch out.
So that kill them.
Kill them.
Murder them sound.
Alright, watch it. What's that? What happened to this? Set it back. Set it back. What up? Put the engineer. I want them to drive you do. You can't stop me. Them can't stop me, right? Alright, put it back in like me put me dick in a pussy and play it from top again. Nadia from top. Alright, listen. Watch it. When me put this in a punani, yeah, them have serious problem. Plug in. The girl them. Come back, lad. Listen, Nadia. Nadia, now waste no time. Watch it now, mister. Listen, mister. Hey. This a Barry Salmon and Gargamel, Bojo. Listen, hey.
We put fear in every sound man. Whenever them come on the sound might not admit it, but they can play our Sentinel play.
Watch out. Now for them I just play around.
There's so much
on a no Sentinel, we're gonna get to the point.
They are trying, but
get to the point.
Falling everywhere.
Listen.
Sentinel, you should play forever.
Listen.
Now it's up to them.
When we go to New York, we not come for Skylark. You know.
You could not be any wronger.
Watch it now. We not come for blood that Skylark in there, sir. Watch out.
Sentinel won't waste more time. We are gonna bust them code. We're going to big gunshot and chase them.
Again, me tell them.
Now this one is designed for 21 and over.
Put it up.
Where
me say?
Everlasting.
Oh, what is Mr. Vegas? Watch out, hey.
Sound boys, won't you go home to your nana.
Mr.
Your nana.
How this, Mr. Vegas? Fuck the jiggy blood clot shit. Some boy if he can take with the blood clot move on. Watch out now, hey, Nadia. Mr. Watch it now. How them a talk about build more and now have them junior. Them a talk about build more this and build more that. And none of them can play them junior now. I remember them junior right now, but not in the anywhere. Watch out. Mr. None of them can tell you that they don't know Sentinel. In the business for a long time. My young sound still body over.
Long time we killing, we come to kill the rest. Who want me to sit on the bullet?
What the? Give it to them. What? Set it back. One thing me have to tell Mighty Clown right now. You see them boy at Japan? Me not going on no racial thing or sound right now. But me tell you how them stay. Them boy, everybody knows that them a suck pussy. I be a pussy them a suck all the while, right? But not only that, you know, when they go to Japan, them eat all kind of strange things. Like them eat dog, them eat kitty, them eat bullfrog. How you feed your blood that pet, your best friend.
Yes, Sentinel. Because some man talk about say them come in a dance hall and I say this and that. And you have some man who come from all the way from the east. You have put all kind of animals in them motherfucking team in the piece.
Listen, I want to do this.
Mighty Crown, dog, got no food. Kitty
pussy and no food for me. Listen. Pussy and no food for me. Cut out your tongue if you turn on the mood. Follow me. Dog and no food. Kitty and no food. Come and work a shot and yam puppy. Batty boy you rude. Dog and no food. Pussy and no food. A Sentinel attack. Hey Brooklyn. Sammy lifestyle done that sickin'. Shoot him. Give some box and two kick him. Yeah. When Mario talk on no feel his push him. Let me push him. Till I try to see.
God so Congress Sentinel is big. You like Nadia, Mario. Watch out. Elman, don't worry, they massive soul.
Man, the one you reach out for the Brooklyn go there.
You don't know Jingo.
Mister, we're ready for them.
Ready to get in my face. 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 Oh, don't say it. I'm rolling off fabric from 226.
Next one, we know we're so time for the blood card. Up there now, Mr. Everybody. Up there again. Watch what I tell them. What me say again, Mr.
The Lord is our light and our salvation.
Only hear me tune up everything there.
Then I shall sentinel fear.
I want to see everybody put your hand in there. Everybody go so.
Cause when some Indian sound was
Mr. New York, get ready for cup of tea. Mr. Everybody go so.
Then they stumbled down and fell.
Let me go so. 1, 2.
Sentinel bust out a hill and break them spell.
One more. Nada. You know, one more for the rhythm. One more and the rhythm.
Father be praised. Yes. The police enemies them.
How do you know the pants are gone for good already?
Give him some buzz.
Why you say New Year? Bye bye big panty.
You done that already.
Pop bucket. Walla walla.
You done that already.
Wanna see them?
The man to the cemetery.
Watch out.
Enough so why they don't go on.
Next.
Well, you know, the third round, of the bombshell, remember I'm tell you, at the bomb. Well, you don't know, I'm going to give it to them, because big people in this dance, you know. That I find out, you know, I feel out the first and the second round, I find out enough big people in the dance, so. You know what I mean? I give them the original, traditional, Jamaican style. Bring in the nice old-time something, you see it? Alright, see it.
10 minutes. Mighty Crown.
Yo, Amazura, let me get wicked here now. Bomber rascal, what kind of idiot? Hold on. Let me kill a Sentinel blood clot. A little German sausage. Let me tell you this pussy wall. You have blood clot woman I select for you. Girl around your blood clot head. All of the room boy know say girl now run your head. You say book them. Let me get mad here now. Rascal. Here's the thing I really get mad. Hold on. Alright. I'll look over here real music. Say mighty crowd. Alright now. Listen carefully now. Drop the bomb.
You hear me? Too much everything I go on. Man, I wear tight pants and I go on them have my blood clot respectful foundation. Sammy and Simon bring this dope place in the Amazon and murder some boy and bomb back like I don't realize it thing. Foundation, my son. Mighty cone, I'm dancing hard. Mighty cone,
listen, New York.
Here's some song we're begging about, but I hear none yet. Foundation, Japanese bring back that. That's some little jump and office snapshot. How women dance and rock, how many people them clap. Fuck your mama, you know your butt brain attack. In a way diamond stocks, some Rolex watch. With desert clocks and going around the back. Ratchet all ice pick, some of us them bank. And if a boy talk to all, happy a gunshot. Rebel and an old mesh to in a intact. She'll shut the name pants in a way candle gap. Then after you can guess how it's a Japanese that black cat. Who that?
Give me the next tune.
If a reality you want, let me hear an almighty Zombie. I said Jimmy to say I say I regret
unfair. I'm a longing to murder someone. I know what you've been playing.
Want it, can't get it. Get it, no want it. Don't try come test mighty crown on ya. Sound boy, you must be crazy. They try to test mighty crown about ya.
Pull up! I'm not into camera or the channel to count. They will listen mighty crown, that's a throw them down. Oh, we push up your gun down here.
Give me the next bomb!
You are playing with a dangerous sound. Yes. Mighty crown, show you down.
Sing out! So serious! Katanga Rasta! Pull up! Next tune!
We're something to you.
All who know big tune, push up your gun on here!
Yeah, yeah, man. Hear this song.
Pull up that!
Jumping in the house, yeah. Don't you know?
Pull up! Next tune!
Chase them away now.
Yes, Odyssey, me last one now.
Run them out of the lawn now. If you come touch the magic rock sound, him surely kill you.
Hold on. Blood clot, they nobody like me a blood clot. Let me propose a blood clot split. Yes, sir, that's my last one. Me find out say you're Jimmy Cliff, blood clot fake. Me call up Jimmy Cliff and say it's fake. Jimmy Cliff say him nah voice the blood clot base, sir, say. Pussy that. Worm, you know about like Squingy and DJ Mark. Them blood clot saying come the apprentice. You know about like me a blood clot. And them always go on like them and know about New York. Them never go build more, you know. Me are the one of the few set that you who go build more. Kill them and them blood clot place there. Me used to go Starlight, Flamingo, One to Q Club and them place there. Love Vest and them place there. They don't know about 90s. Me just go vice blood clot fat one day a suffer a studio up in 90s. You think me don't know the blood clot business? Alright, I'm gonna show you how wicked me is. The next tune now is Nicodemus, Mighty Crown, first voice that don't play there. You that tune now.
Take class for them case you back on. I want a piece of called Sound Killer, right? I'm gonna sound the mighty crown for it, yeah. Play Bobby Bun songs, but mighty crown out the international, you know. Sound Killer, for me the sing the sound the mighty crown for it.
Up, down, and down, say all over. Pull up!
Kick it, yeah, some come now. Skinny bang.
Listen good. Them not cut no tune.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Oh, yo. The last world clash people run come to see best and see day. Oh, yes. To see black cat day.
Yeah, so the thing really get wicked, you know.
Murder in the dance tonight. Mighty crown the rules. John Lord says that. In a terrible form we're gonna murder you. In a mystic form we come to kill you too. Mighty crown will murder your son. Boy, we're gonna turn you in a clown. Be careful. Be careful. Mighty crown will murder you. Like the thief in the night.
Kill them. Hold on. And then read the bomb. I'll look over here some big tune for them. I'm gonna say big tune. Let it go. Big people there tonight. You think you can't trick me? Whole world are watching me right now.
Surrender your sound and all of your dub, please.
kill yourself.
We have 1 minute left. Rascal. Give me some space up here, sir.
I knew one day we'd meet for a clash. Sound boy, I always look for.
All who know this, you put up your gun and line.
Look at it now, Magic Crown's got you in the ring. He's going to win
let me tell you this.
and show you who's his king.
It's alright with me to kill a sound boy.
Lord God, me fight holy patrol, you know. You know, say them not playing no female artists. Big up all of the female in the house. Big up the ladies, how you mean? You see, pure man, them are just alone for select the tune, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. Big love the girls, them. Body in your pum tonight. Lord God, what do you feel? Well, I say, last shoot. Alright, final entry. Hear the rascal tune, you know.
To all the folk guys who want clash mighty.
All foundational people, Shelly Thunder.
Come now. Sometimes I sound fig and cool. Sometimes I sound fig and cool.
Pull up that. Rascal, me lost them, you know.
10 minutes, please, and listen.
Why, Sammy Simon? Whatever you try work. Yeah. That wasn't nice. You know what I talk about? But that not so the pussy wall them not dead, you know. And we have the real thing. Big up all of my Jamaican friend. Hey, Sammy T. Me know, hey, you don't know what the Japanese them not just so. Them not just so a blood clot. A papa show them about take weaver. You don't suck on the mama. Drop the one there, we come from country. Ganja man!
All man on the car, I can't know what you want to love the phone there.
Every ganja man put up here under the blood clot here.
I'm going to play is a bass and this is sample. Tell me something about some example. All man say,
New York!
this is sound.
New York! Bomba clot! Sammy T. Simon! Sentinel!
This is the great guys and this is the outer Alexandra. In the hills of Sentinel, you can plant the ganja. We go round my jazz and roll and end the bar. It's such a night, my dad.
Jack, I want this. Bomba clot!
Nothing but guns and ammunition. To get us out is an easy thing.
Such an easy thing.
Spinning gold, empty the extension.
Turn it on. Me have more fans in a Germany than blood clot Sentinel. Me see so. Me have more fans in the world, more episode in the blood clot world. I rate base on this. Put your hand here. Put your blood clot here. Put your hand here. New York. No.
Here I come, and here I am. A woman salute the return of a dad. Here I come, and here I am. This sound is the word of the hey, not to become a community, never for me. Selling another party.
Killer, put your hand here. Put your hand here. You want to kill him.
On all type of in the sky preaching, copper shot reaching, and in there.
Blood clot, jump it.
Kill. From lights.
No.
We kill them now. Whoa, we kill them now. Yes, I listen now.
Everybody, we have your hand here.
Kill them now.
We have your Alexa. No, and we say country. And we not some say country. Yeah, we are jumping.
We kill them now. We don't got no mercy.
Who remember this? Who remember this?
Oh yeah. Listen.
The Lord is placed as his light and salvation. Tell me who shall the kings don't fear? No sound.
Lord.
And when nothing but sound come out tonight to test this sound, my selector shall throw them down. Since you've been born, I've been hanging.
Everybody take some master. We have such a blood clot. Everybody, we have something here. We have something here, sir. Oh my God, sir, we have something here. Everybody start. We have to turn up this blood clot. Turn up. Everybody, we have. No, I say everybody, we have. What's the thing?
Boy, send it to me and gun and up the heart to keep it on. No! When I love, but the left tongue and get them take run.
Yard, New York, Miami, worldwide, England. When we are born, what it why we not we dance and sorry. You post a whole new some sound man a carry. Once I'm reaching at the big one finale. Girl, what's the Prince and Labry? You just had this in born, what it why we not we dance and sorry.
You know what, son, Mighty Crown win a dance. If China Irish don't keep dance, New York don't hear blood clot Mighty Crown. They say it's a play for the world clot world. You see the people that walk up at Jamaica for December.
Anyway,
everybody.
Well, this way, I'm with big gun. Yes, I say we know no story.
What?
Black blood, gun no bling rock. This wicked man may kill your whole family.
Somebody.
This me, I'm with big gun on the street. You will never live to tell people you do it when you're this. Bad man and them big gun. Have him black and him bazooka.
Put it on. You know say every sound in here, so play with me. We kill the whole of blood clot. We want some blood clot new sound to kill now. All who want some new sound to kill, we have something of the blood clot here. We have a time. We have a time.
Send them come, send them one by one.
And make sure them all the base and this is the hour chance. Send them come, send them one by one. One! Send them Them a talk about big blood clot tune. You know who me I gonna play now? I'm gonna play for the hard blood clot way. Let me drop some blood clot big tune on here because them say at the final one, anniversary. Eh? Them say anniversary. New York, me Jamaican friend them. No matter which part you come from, me Japanese friend them. Dear man, for the hard way.
You know we gotta take security measures. Motherfucking niggas, you know it's the war that wild treasures. Hey, yo, you know it's
for the hard way.
The war's way. Hey, yo, it's bound to kill her and the family.
Listen to that tune, a big tune. New York!
In a New York tonight, we are going to world class.
And it's on test, them are not beg.
No sound can tell.
No sound can change. I want a lighter, take out your lighter, turn on it.
Send them come, send them one by one, and then we show them how the bass and this.
Oh, we know no bed for you. Face to this, they have no bed for you.
That one there, Princess Luciana.
No bed for you. Die, booty, bye, rabbit in the hat. Jam up the Texas champion, it's one of the right. But in a Amazora.
Me and Mighty Corner talk about Jimmy Cliff. Have a surprise for the one on. Yo!
Send another one come. Yeah, send another song come.
Stop. One on. Me I gonna play something now. When none of them know our cut. I don't know who are Bob Marley son? Junior Gang. When me play to blood clot Junior Gang in there because them know our cut the artist and a big blood clot Grammy artist. Drop it.
Yeah! Yo, my line of them and Junior Gang Marley talking to you, boy, you don't know
Sentinel! Mighty Crown! New York, guess what up?
This is the killer sound, we only have found solid from a war, we've got something for you. Feeling like the trip, and only one in the
Yes, we got something.
Turn it on.
Turn it on. Me I'm gonna play a bounty killer up on the rhythm now. All the way a bounty killer, put up your gun and a lighter and the blood clot here. Gun and a lighter.
Charlie Glove, Dwayne, let go. Then you burn. Boom, bang, kaboom. Here's a decision. Man no pass when man no kill people. In a the ghetto is a ghetto evil. What? It's a bucket of it all reason. So listen to that. When there's a this you are. In a the ghetto man no walk with eagle. I murder people every day on all season.
Stop. Big up, don't worry yourself. Big up everybody where they are. Me love you all a blood clot, oh no. Damian, let me show you some bad man there too. Bad man, put your gun on.
You me say Worm, you me say Charlie Glock. Rise up the motherfucking Texan class.
All who smell good, start up this guy. If you smell good, we are the other here. We are the other blood clot here. No.
Them a go get annihilate. So me say base of this day. I wanna alone a plate so. Everybody. Base of this day. Rise the machines where you 5.56 caliber. AK will chop up artillery head like the air. Caliber. Beat it like a spear shot or run them down.
You remember that tune I play a World Clash last year? I will never blood clot know you. I go play it again. Me say for no rap particular every blood clot. Go down and go there.
Center. Jaltigo man.
You remember that tune?
Yo, TG Jungle Soulside worldwide. London, Canada, Europe. Everybody pass up. Here's a this man a killer. Don't need a reason to kill. Or do we need special season to kill? So do I sell the class. To bullet up people and kill. Killer, no delay or pass to kill. All without reason and cause me still kill.
Let me play one more. Turn it on. I want to clash tonight with a DJ. All the way at Ninja Man, put your blood clot gun on now here. Me I go play a Ninja Man, in a business. Ninja Man, you see DSS in New York. And the one at Jamaica. We caught your friend them. Go so, go so, go so. Holy God, so. Chin. Yo! Lights in the crowd, please. Make them very bright, because this is very important. More lights in the crowd. Oh, no, Miss Rebel Tone? All who's a mighty crown for God is round and in the air right now. All who say base of the civil go home in the round and in the air right now. All who say Sentinel for go home and in the air right now.
New York, respect, love and honor. We say give it up for Irish Chin for setting up this event through the past 10 years. Give it up! We say give it up for my selector. You know, so them put X amount blood, sweat and tears in this bomber clad. You know what I'm saying? And last but not least, pick up the wall of blood that New York. You boss me career worldwide. You're responsible for me. Respect, love and honor from the Sentinel. Never go down. Everlasting.
Yo, wanna get Sentinel a bigger round of applause. No, louder than that. At the last World Clash, and at the only European sound where win World Clash. Wanna get them a round of applause. Them are all up the thing at Germany. Yeah man, big up Sentinel. That round here is tune for tune. Bass Odyssey, Mighty Crown, best of 10. Wanna ready? Sammy, you ready?
Ready, blood clot, long time. Please, so I say, you play back a tune, that's why people are blood clot boy you. You lose it, you know. Alright, big tune time for the money. Blood clot, their place, this will make it really wicked, you know. Hear that tune now.
Well,
This is the living legend, Jimmy Cliff, with the mighty crown. Simon, Sammy T, Goji, Super G.
All who know tune, listen.
Many sun boy will fall, but
pull up! Lost them blood clot.
Blood clot, mind your blind, man, come on fire. Jamaica Avenue, love you, no blood clot. I don't have money and I wear ends, go suck on the mama. Drop the one, let me show them something. Drop it, blood clot.
Based on this, we roll.
Turn on the light on the bomb, clot. Turn on the light on them.
Man.
Hey, mighty crown, let me tell you something.
Let me hear you say, oh, what a la la, what a la la la. Yes, I listen. I jump on. But let me hear you say, oh, what a la la, what a la la la.
Everybody point for mighty crown, point for them. Point for blood clot.
We send another stronghold.
Light man, turn on the lights. We're going to make it fair. We're going to make it fair. Leave the lights on for the tune for tune segment. All who say bass are to take that brown hand in the air right now. Put them down. All who say mighty can't take that round hand in the air right now. One round for bass Odyssey.
Alright, massive. It'll get very interesting, you know. But hear this now. I hear the real big tune part of the blood clot dance. Real big tune time now. Keith and Tex, me I go deep into this blood clot now. Hear that tune now.
This is Keith from Keith and Tex. Big up the sound.
All who know big tune.
The Far East ruler.
Original Keith and Tex.
Sammy T and Goji. Kill that sound. We are mighty crown.
Blood clot, what is?
You want 5 more they change it. You want blood, no matter how much blood clot chain him put on tonight, drop the one that tell him say.
This Odyssey.
Take him pussy one.
I the #1 song.
That's the kind of one.
Somebody.
Run.
You are go dead in the sound clash.
Real quick, real quick, real quick. Mighty crown up there. Bass Odyssey up there. Bass Odyssey round.
Blood clot. Say it again sticky to me, I know. Rasta, me going to flip the Rasta coin, I know, you know. Hear the blood clot big tune there. Let it go. You take me easy. The big tune, you know.
Come from Japan to far, far land. Kill some sound
in New York.
Kill up a sound in England.
Stop!
Back to their own land.
Pull up! Clad. Gone, you know. Gone, you know.
Who know here where tune say? Come out London from far, far, come on New York from. We know blood clot business of them come up on ship. Playing our blood clot boat. Let me tell you something. Let me tell them. Mighty crown. Mighty crown. It don't matter where you come from. Everybody tell them.
It's a easy don't care for you
Real quick. Bass Odyssey. Put them down. Mighty crown. 3-0. Bass Odyssey.
Alright. Rascal. New York. Do I still have a chance? Do I still have a chance? Alright. There's a couple people above me. It gotta be dancehall reggae, that blood clot body man them. Them not start cuss about mighty crown. chin and this and that. Blood clot. Full of that blood clot tune under your nasty belly. Hear that tune now?
Mighty crowd. Kill himself.
Let me tell you this worm.
Son boy, don't put your hat where you get no sense.
Pull up that. Don't ever blood clot come back and play Junior Marvin and talk about it a counteraction. It's just saying mighty crown, don't put your hat, pussy.
You play a chat to the chat fuckery. Let me drop, hey, drop the blood clot one there, watch out.
Respect the satisfaction.
That's it.
Oh gosh.
Mighty crown.
I feel so
That's it is. And we sound well, Chris. Yeah.
Oh me, oh my, I did it in this song loud.
What is that? What is that? All of some baseline is up there. Put them down. All of some mighty crowd up there. 4-0 baseline is it.
New York, don't do me that, star. Without me, there is no entertainment. Come on. At least give me one shot. Glad star. Alright. Tune for the money, man. That's a big tune, you know. A big tune. But I tell you, that man is big in the blood clot business. From before my blood clot born, you know, the man is singing now. Hear the Gregory Isaac here. All who know big tune. Yeah, man, New York.
Who's gonna make you fine tonight?
So pull up. Yeah, man, finally get one, you know. Respect New York.
You don't know what to beg. You don't blood clot know what to beg. Me I go drop something when me now go blood clot introduce and bet you busting at this rock.
But since you hear the two sound boy argue and Lenny,
what did that jump on them?
First, you must make yourself glad about servant. See them a come there with now run, and them a ganja murderer. This a this here, some killer. Hey boy, and them a come in and them a see them boys.
Play this are the biggest tune, you know. Let it go. New York!
Well, they tell I have to buy up in the sky.
Me they have to come back.
Japanese. I'm going to finish them now. Me can't talk their language. Me have a blood clot, don't them know. When the people have weird Ghana say, they put you in the blood clot, jump in. Jump in.
And I would never lie. Let them keep talking. Oh Lord, talking about him. Let them talking, them talking.
Yo! This and this. Put them down. Mighty crowd. Hold on. Hold on. I don't want nobody say I dealt with it unjustly. So we're going to take it again. Hold on. And before you vote, please don't raise your hand twice. We want to move along to the next clash. The score right now is 5-0. Right? Who took the last round? Was it Bass Odyssey? All hands in the air. Put it down. Was it Mighty Crown? All hands in the air. The score is now 5 for Bass Odyssey, one for Mighty Ground. All agree? All right.
Respect New York. All right, now here's something get really fucking wicked, you know. Big up Beanie Man, my DJ there in the house. Big up Ninja Man. But yo, last of the pussy clot. Hear that tune now? Me not cuss no more. Make the tune cuss.
Go suck back your mama, your mama, your mama. Go suck back your mama, your mama.
We no blood clot bias. Me like how them do them thing. But let me tell you something. And we control the world. New York, Jamaica, the world are free. You know why you some more big tune? Put up your blood clot here now.
Just mess without apology, man. How some sound boy I go do now? I feel the saddest in the area. How many sound boy come over? Murder again. I know pussy will come over.
Yo! Alright. DSI is the hands up there. Mighty Crowd, hands up there. 5 for DSI, 2 for Mighty Crowd. Dub for dub continues.
No ramp with me, you know. Last world clash this, you know. You think me not glad easy? Talk about that. That is a big tune. Tell me if this is a bigger tune. Let it go. Let it go.
This one is straight to a sound boy. Bumper clap hard. Red and red. One country I rejected.
It's getting spicy. Yeah. Me know what to say. I don't know what the clash for done. Me understand. No, me understand the voting, you know. But let me drop something around here. New York.
No. Oh my. Yeah, yeah. They sort of say it's calling you up.
Hold on there. Mighty Crowd. Hands down. DSI. The score is now 5. DSI 3. Mighty Crowd.
I told you me bad in this brass club party. Don't fuck around with me. Talk about that a big tune. Oh, look how feels a real book show. Push up your gun and I blood clot here. Let it go.
Hey, Nita Mumzai. You said it. Mighty Crown is the place.
Is it fire? It nobody like me.
Man, we end it right now. Once off a blood clot round. Man, we end the blood clot now. Hear me and jump here.
Yes, it is the king of all dancehall. So shall I feel. It's the roof on standing small. So no sound place to be seen is afraid of.
No!
It is the rule. Yeah, this is the best. None can.
Everybody put up your hands.
No!
Who wants it ever blood clot like that? Turn it up!
There is somewhere over there to start the sound flash.
All who are enjoy the dance world clash, put it on in here right now. Put them down. BSI, hands up there. Put them down. Mighty crowd, hands up there. The score is now 5-4.
Oh, this shit is getting very interesting, son. Grass clad. Yo, one last world clash, you know. Get down up Benny like me, man. Yeah, so the blood clot tune get wicked. International artists, international show for the money. Steel Pulse.
Steel Pulse! You know, run it on the sound, mighty round.
Far East roller, pull up! Oh, class, see me, bud?
Everybody, could I please have everybody, some of us, make a road through yourself. You remember the party? Make a blood clot road through yourself. Make Mighty Corner show me those in the exit there. Jump in.
Ah, the side! There you know, Mighty Crown! Hit the road, sound boy. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, sound boy. Don't you come back no more. So this is the sound of the champion.
Yo! Yes, Odyssey. Hands down. Mighty crowd. If I am correct, the score is now 5 for Bass Odyssey and 5 for Mighty crowd. Right now. Hold on. No. What I think is fair to do right now is the best of 3. Hold on. Turn on the lights for me, please. At the last world clash, and we're going to make it happy. So we're going to vote on it. And whatever Uno say, I don't never do. Alright? Fair enough? Turn on the lights for me so I can see everybody in the audience. Turn on the lights so I can see everyone in the audience, please. Okay. All who say best of 3, put your hand in the air. Okay, you don't agree with that. All who say one more tune and move on. Yeah. Alright. Yes, I just line up. Mighty Crow line up. And the final tune is to declare who will be the last world champion. Mighty Crow.
Respect New York. Respect New York. Hold on there. Alright, while ago I get a boom and I like. But Fidembo was bigger. Fidem Blood Taboo was bigger. And let me play my wickedest final tune. Hear that tune, you sugar minot! Big tune! Which one we come from?
Coming from the Japan, with the box and the plane. Mighty Crown sound.
Pull up! Earth clan.
At time for blood clot, Mighty Crown go back to Japan now. Done. Man, we send them back a blood clot Japan because we is a country. Drop it time, drop it.
What in the world?
Drop it. Mass sacrifice. Everybody go so. Put on your hand, your mass sacrifice.
There's a sound that comes from Sentinel.
Yo! Alright, lights! No more. All who say no more, put it on in here right now. Bass Odyssey, all out there right now. Put them down. Mighty Crowd, all up there right now. Put them down. So we all agree that Mighty Crowd is the 2007 World Champion.
2007 World Class Champion, the final one. The last one. We have the belt for the all-time champion, World Class Champion. Nobody else. Where's the Simon? Where's the Simon? The last one.
Yo, wickedest comeback in it. We are 5-0 in it.
History comeback.
From 5-0 to 6-0.
So here the Irish and Chin. Mighty Crowd lock.
You know, so the little booting, you know, I just feed and spans them, you know. But you see it, show of hands. I had more hands out there. Me are the champion, man. No say nothing more. Me are the king. Respect, New York. I love one.
Yo, the man of the original Super Cat style. From way back in the days, them Bali, them chain. Watch him arena. You don't find them thing no more. And the heart, the thing mad, the thing bad. Sure say, Mighty come full of strategy and full of style, yeah? We're good.
One question though. They say all things come to an end. I know this man. Something else is coming. Watch out.
Japanese them come from 5 down. I won the clash by 5.5. A murder. I tell you. 5 3/4, I have half it that time. 5 3/4 jet. The man them go hard jet. The man them. We never see this yet still. What I say, we never been at a world clash before. My first world clash and the last one. See it? Blessings. Rastafari. Moses out.
Well, the last world clash. It's a pleasure to be here. The clash are going nice so far. Big up Mighty Crown and the win, although it was sticky. It was real close with them and Bass Odyssey. Big up Bass Odyssey too. Big up Pink Panther. You don't know Black Cat. Sentinel. I may say, the clash not done, you know. Because you don't know.
Yeah, but that's what I say. Big up all of New York, you know. We go the last tune and, you know, Mighty Crowd make a run and everything alright, can you know? We go 1 for 1 and we do our best and everything alright, so. Them say the game over, so we have to accept it, you know. But anyway, Chin bring it go still, we're there for them. Big up our Bass Odyssey crews. Large up.
Yeah, we should have win, but I saw the thing set. Because no sound and words still not a world clash trophy like we have a whole of them. We have a whole of 6 and we are lead. We don't watch a 5-star, 6 we have. And this we're not going to make 7, but I saw the thing set.
It's the final world clash. See? And it would not be courteous of me to close world clash without playing dues to the people then will make the thing possible. See? You see when you talk about world clash, you have to talk about the sound systems then will stick by world clash thick and thin. And when most of the industry about Irish and Chin, you have man like them man that will inspire with to continue the thing and continue the journey. For those of you who don't know who this is Father Keith, the owner of Bass Odyssey Sound System.
I just want to thank New York for the support over the years. Also, Bass Odyssey love it to your heart. And you can depend on us to keep playing good music for you. Just keep the faith and keep strong. Respect.
Hold on. Because we're going to close it and we're going to close the bride. You see that youth here? You see that youth here? I don't know if I'm a Black Cat, I know some Black Cat all of the industry. Put your hand up in the air right now. You see when it comes to world clash, Them man have ability. So we have to respect them as one of the key players in the World Class Series. Panzer.
There we are. Them still the last one, but you know it's not the last I've seen Black Cat. Because we are going to be always here clashing for you. We not change, we not juggle, straight to our. Anyway, Chinua can't go, we are going to play our parts here with. Enough respect the way I'm love you. See?
Last and final. One. And Damian. Where's Damian? You see, this Odyssey is one of the greatest songs in the sound system industry. And only my people give that unity a fight because we just start playing this Odyssey. And it hold it up. It win about 3 World Clash from them and play this Odyssey. The two of them. This is Damian and this is World. Give them a round of applause for keeping the legacy and bass Odyssey still going on. World.
Enough respect and love to each and every one. And so the game goes, sometimes win, sometimes lose, but we never give up. And you know, so we are come back wicked. So Damian, see, I think I just want to pick up the whole of the bass and the all that bass and the fans and put up on that like so. May I work, we have put on some more mileage for the sound. So years to come, bass and this is still there for them. Respect.
And we have to give a round of applause for Club Amasura because we started World Clash here in 1998 and we are finishing it here in 2007. So all those who rate World Clash, please put your hand in the ears and give a round of applause for Club Amasura. Now there's a small rumor going around that Amasura Club has been sold. For the promoters who still want to do business at Club Amasura, it's false, it's a lie. Amasura has not been sold, so that is just something for your acknowledgement. Right now, welcome on stage the 1999 World Champions and now the 2007 World Champions, the Far East Rulers, Mighty Crown.
Respect them. See, respect the RBS Odyssey fans, straight Black Cat fans, Sentinel fan in them. See, not just music in them. See, big up everybody in them. See, they are telling them, you know, somebody don't get robbed enough time in them. Yeah? Too many times. I deserve this shit, man. Respect to our reggae fan and our clash fan. All of those sound clash, 200 in the year now. Respect. Love of them. Straight, see? One thing I'm telling them, no matter how much the bad man are talking them, but now stop spread reggae music. That me I say, reggae